Hi everyone, I'm August, and this week I'm doing a Vortex swipe with a faux pillow using this Little Piggy's Stuck Up Pig, which is a chameleon pigment that shifts from like a greenish blue to a purple color. Now I will say, when I mixed up this pot of paint, I don't think I put enough pigment powder in because it's not as vibrant as the one I did last week. So it's the same color, it's Pretentious, but it was a new batch and I don't think I put enough pigment in. But it still came out pretty okay. How we're doing this for the faux pillow, all that is I am using a paint or a pigment mix like all my other colors, same consistency, same everything. I lay this down on my palette knife and then we'll transfer that over to the board to make that background color. The reason we do that with the SHELEE Art Bloom recipe, which the recipe's in the description below, the reason we do that is we need a thick house paint pillow for the base. And I don't have, obviously, this color in that pillow base, so I'm going to make a fake one and spread that over the board. Now, I did make a diagram. Because there are a few things I wanted to mention with this. So with this Vortex swipe, it's like an hourglass shape, or I don't know who said Vortex, but someone did, and I kind of like that. So what we're doing is after we have that faux pillow laid down, I'm laying out a line of colors. You could do it diagonally across your board, you could do it across, it really doesn't matter. And then I'm taking a palette knife with a SHELEE Art Cell Activator on the back of it, and I'm gonna swipe once this way, and I'm going to turn it and swipe going the other direction. Now, a few things with this. When you're swiping, make sure when you lay your palette knife down that it's completely in the colors and not in the paint. You don't want your back edge here. So if we're going to swipe this way, we don't want this back edge in the pillow paint because that will just drag that pillow through your color. So pay attention to that as you lay your palette knife down. And also, when you lay it down, make sure that this edge here is evenly on that paint. You don't want half of the palette knife sticking up a little bit because then you won't get that even swipe. Something else with this type of swipe, you can do it where you're just gonna swipe kind of straight down like this. You could do it where you're gonna curve it a little bit. And where you start your curve matters. So I hope this is making sense. So if I'm gonna start my swipe and go straight down and curve it at the very end, I'm gonna have a bigger space for that the hourglass shape. If I start curving right away like this, I'm gonna have a smaller hourglass part. Again, I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. This week, I know usually I do premieres with Grandma Kathy's Art Venture and Creations with Tanya. Tanya's taking a little break, as is Kathy. So this week it is just me, but I will link their channels in the description below. So if you're not already subscribed, please check them out. As always, I appreciate you being here and I hope you have an excellent day.